अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। यूनिट जो है हमारे पास दैट इज यूनिट है स्टेटस ऑफ मैटर। स्टेटस ऑफ मैटर जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, टॉपिक है आज का, टॉपिक है वंडर वॉल्स इक्वेशन। वंडर वॉल्स इक्वेशन टॉपिक है दैट्स वंडर वॉल्स इक्वेशन। नाउ जो हमारे पास है this van der Waals equation is generally followed by the real gases at all the temperatures and all the pressures. Ideal gas जो होते हैं वो follow करते हैं ideal gas equation, while real gases जो होते हैं they follow the equation which is called as the van der Waals equation, which is basically the modified ideal gas equation. Now ये van der Waals equation ये arise कैसे हो जाती है, कैसे हुई arise? The real gases जो होते हैं, real gases ये बिहेव करते हैं आइडियली व्हेन द प्रेशर इज वेरी लो एंड द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई। एट दैट टाइम द रियल गैसेस जो होते हैं बिहेव आइडियली व्हाइल एज अगर प्रेशर if pressure is very high and the temperature is low, at that time they do not follow the ideal gas equation. Now why it is so? It is because of the following two faulty assumptions of the kinetic theory of the gases। जो हम वहाँ पर हमने दो postulates पढ़े हैं तो उनमें कुछ फॉल्ट है उन दो पोस्टुलेट्स में, जिसके वजह से ये रियल गैसेस जो होते हैं ये दे डू नॉट फॉलो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन। वो दो assumptions है क्या? नंबर फर्स्ट assumption जो थी हमारे पास, दैट इज वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स इज नेग्लेक्टेड टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम इज नेग्लिजिबल टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस। वो नंबर फर्स्ट assumption जो थी काइनेटिक गैस थ्योरी में, नंबर फर्स्ट द वॉल्यूम occupied by the gas molecules is neglected or negligible to the total volume of the gas। कब? जब प्रेशर इज वेरी लो एंड द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई। जब प्रेशर लो होगा एट दैट टाइम वॉल्यूम अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉयल्स आर द वॉल्यूम इज वेरी हाई। एट दैट टाइम द कंटेनर में जो हम यहाँ पर लेंगे गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स, व्हेन द वॉल्यूम इज वेरी हाई एट दैट टाइम मॉलिक्यूल्स they are far apart from each other। at that time we can neglect the volume of the gas molecules as compared to the total volume of the gas at the very low pressure and very high temperature। but if the pressure is very low, if the pressure is very high, at that time क्या होता है कि अगर हम इसको ऊपर से पिस्टन लगाएंगे, फिर प्रेशर को हम बढ़ाएंगे लाइक दिस पिस्टन। अब यहाँ पे था पहले तो वॉल्यूम इज वेरी लार्ज, but if we move the piston downwards, what will happen to the volume? It decreases and the pressure will increase। At that time we are not in a position to, volume it decreases, pressure it increases। at that time we cannot neglect, because volume तो already कम हो गया, we cannot neglect the volume of the molecules as compared to the total volume of the gas। तो इस वक्त हम ये नहीं कहेंगे volume of the gas is that's volume of the container। however पहले वाले जो काइनेटिक गैस थ्योरी की जो पोस्टुलेट था वहाँ पर हम क्या कहते थे कि सपोज इफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस मॉलिक्यूल इज इक्वल टू बी, सो हम बी को एंड टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर दैट इज इक्वल टू द बी, सो हम इस बी को नेग्लेक्ट करते थे एज कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ द बी व्हेन द प्रेशर इज वेरी लो। बट when the pressure is very high at that time हम इस B को neglect नहीं कर सकते हैं as compared to the V. So the total volume of the gas, that's called the V minus B. This is called as excluded volume. B volume of the gas molecule जो हम neglect नहीं कर सकते हैं as compared to the total volume. क्यों? अगर हम सारे molecules को यहाँ लाएंगे, ऐसे लाएंगे, तो they occupy the volume and that volume is not neglected because ये space अब कम रह गई and the volume of these gas molecules is not now neglected as compared to the total volume. So यहाँ पर इसने van der Waal ने first correction हमें दी, that's called as the volume correction of the kinetic theory of the gases. Kinetic theory of the gases में हम कहते हैं कि volume occupied by the gas molecules is neglected to the total volume, while as van der Waal it has introduced a correction term in this postulate that volume of the when the pressure is very high and volume is very low, at that time हम molecules का volume neglect नहीं कर सकते हैं as compared to the total volume. So first correction जो हमें van der Waal ने दी, that's called as the volume correction. वो क्या है volume correction? volume correction है volume correction is equal to V minus B. V is the total volume of the container and B is its excluded volume. Now the free space available for the molecules to move, that is good. If V is the total volume of the container and B is the volume of the gas molecules, so the space available for the movement of the molecules is V minus B, where B, that is the volume of the gas molecules and is called as excluded volume, is for 1. And if we have the n moles or n number of molecules, volume correction किसके बराबर है? volume correction is equal to, ये है for 1 molecule, for n molecules volume correction is equal to V minus NB. यह फर्स्ट करेक्शन जो हमें किसने दी? van der Waal ने. सो आप याद रखोगे, at very high pressure and the low temperature the volume, हम गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स का वॉल्यूम हम नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं as compared to that of the total volume of the gas. नंबर सेकंड करेक्शन जो दी इसने, that's called the pressure correction. Now according to the kinetic theory of the gas, वहाँ पर हम दूसरा postulate पढ़ते थे ये कि when there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules and the pressure, they exert the pressure by the collision with each other or with the walls of the container, but there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules. But when the pressure is very high, at that time the molecules, they are very close to each other. At that time it is like this, हमारे पास container है, container, and it exerts the gas molecules are here, they exert the pressure. At that time what will happen? The molecules now they are close to each other. At that time there exists a force of attraction between the gas molecules or between the gas molecules and the walls of the container. So the pressure exerted by the gas molecules is now less than that of the ideal condition. So he introduced a second correction factor in this, which is called as the pressure correction. Pressure correction, volume correction आपने याद रखिए. Now we have the second correction, that's called as the pressure correction. Volume correction हम यहाँ पर लिखें, ये volume correction is equal to V minus NB or V minus NB, or for this for n molecules, and for one molecule that's called V minus B. Now the second correction जो हमें van der Waal ने दी, that's called as the pressure correction. प्रेशर करेक्शन में क्या है कि जो प्रेशर एक्सर्ट होता है ड्यूरिंग द आइडियल कंडीशंस वो ज़्यादा होता है एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ द रियल कंडीशंस, एज दैट व्हेन द प्रेशर इज वेरी P ideal is greater than P real. का P real P real में क्या होता है कि when the external pressure is very high at that time, the molecules they are very close to each other. At that time there is force of attraction between the gas molecules and with the walls of the container. So हमें जिस real pressure को equal बनाना है with that of the ideal pressure. At that time we introduce a correction factor in this real pressure. That correction factor is P real. P real इसको हमें ऐड करना है correction factor P small p correction factor. This called as the pressure correction. Pressure correction. Now what is this delta P? This is called as the pressure correction, which depends upon this P small p or delta P. It depends upon number of gas molecules per unit volume striking the wall. And number two, number of this first, number second, number of molecules per unit volume striking, number of the gas molecules per unit volume striking the wall, number of the gas molecules per unit volume surrounding the striking molecule, per unit volume surrounding the striking molecule. अब इन दोनों केसेस में आप देखो दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. यहाँ पर भी नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. दैट मीन्स दिस करेक्शन फैक्टर इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डेंसिटी ऑफ द गैस molecules. So we have here P real जो है प्रेशर करेक्शन जो डेल्टा P है किसके डिपेंडेंट है, इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डेंसिटी नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. दैट इज डेंसिटी per unit volume striking the wall, that is equal to the density of the gas, and delta P that is also equal to number of molecules surrounding the striking molecule directly proportional to the density, that is delta P is equal directly proportional to the density square. And density का relationship क्या है वॉल्यूम के साथ, inverse relationship है, that is delta P is directly proportional to 1 over V square. अगर हम इसको हटाएंगे, प्रोपोर्शनलिटी को हटाएंगे, दैट इज डेल्टा P इज इक्वल टू B इज इक्वल टू A divided by V square. This for one molecule, and for n molecules we have delta P is equal to A n square divided by V square, number of molecules per unit volume. So यहाँ पर स्क्वायर आएगा, that is the A n square divided by V square. ये हमारे पास प्रेशर करेक्शन अब किसके बराबर है, प्रेशर करेक्शन is equal to P real plus delta P, and that is equal to P real plus A n square divided by V square, pressure correction. So van der Waal ने हमें दो corrections दी, that's pressure correction and the volume correction. Then now we substitute this pressure correction and the volume correction in the ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to nRT, or PV for n molecules and PV is equal to RT for one molecule. Now we have जो ये P है that is the pressure in case of ideal conditions, and V that is the ideal volume in during the ideal conditions. This is the volume, and R that's constant, and T is the temperature. Now जो real gases होते हैं they do not follow the ideal gas equation at the very high pressure and very low temperature. At that time we have to introduce these two correction factors in this equation. So pressure के बदले क्या आएगा, that is the correction pressure, that's corrected pressure है हमारे पास P plus an square divided by v square. Pressure के बदले this is the real pressure, and volume V minus NB, that is the volume correction, is equal to nRT. This is the equation which is called as the van der Waals equation for n molecules. And for one molecule we have P. For one molecule we have P plus A divided by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. This is called as the van der Waals equation for one molecule, and this is the van der Waals equation for n molecules. Where A and B, what are this A and B? That is A and B are constants and are called van der Waals constant. सो आपने याद रखा आइडियल गैसेस जो होते हैं दे बिहेव आइडियली, दे फॉलो द आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन, व्हाइल इज नॉन आइडियल गैसेस जो होते हैं they do not follow the ideal gas equation at all the temperatures and all the pressures. They obey the ideal gas equation when the pressure is very low and the temperature is very high. But if we reverse the condition, if we increase the pressure and at high pressure and the low temperature, at that time they do not behave ideally. They show deviation from the ideal behavior. Why? Because of the following two wrong assumptions or the faulty assumptions of the kinetic theory of the gases. First assumption was that volume occupied by the gas molecules is neglected to the total volume. ये हम कर सकते हैं when the pressure is very low and the temperature is high, but when the opposite is there, at that time we cannot neglect the volume of the gas molecules with the total volume of the container, or in comparison with the total volume of the gas molecules. And number second, so for that very purpose he introduced a correction factor in the volume which is called as the pressure correction. For that we have V is equal, volume correction is equal to V minus NB, while this B, that is the excluded volume of the gas molecules. And number second correction जो हमें van der Waals ने दी, that's called the pressure correction. प्रेशर करेक्शन में आइडियल सिचुएशन में क्या होता है कि वहाँ पर जो होता है दैट इज द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन दैट इज नेग्लिजिबल, बट when the pressure is very high, external pressure is very high, at that time molecules they are very close to each other. At that time the force of attraction is there and the pressure exerted by the gas molecule, their pressure, that is very low as compared to that of the ideal condition. So in order to make the real pressure equal to the ideal pressure, he introduced a correction, he introduced a factor, he introduced a correction factor in the ideal gas equation, which is that is the P plus A n square divided by V square. Now he substituted these values, the correction factor, volume correction and the pressure correction, in the ideal gas equation, and then he derived this equation which is called as the van der Waals equation. So this was all. We have the A and the B in the van der Waals equation, which are called as the van der Waals constants. So this was all about the van der Waals equation. This is also called as the equation of state for the real gases. Thank you so much.